folks, today we are going to make some tahini sauce. As far as the consistency, the thickness you'd like your sauce to be, it just depends on what you want to use your sauce for. If you want a thin sauce for a salad dressing, you can choose a half of a lemon. If you want it a little thicker for a dipping sauce for your falafels or whatnot, you can use a quarter of a lemon and only use 1 tablespoon of water. So it just depends on what you're using the sauce for. Be sure to check out the description box below for the recipe. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell.